తీసుకో డబ్బులు అప్పకి నటించేస్తారు జెంట్స్ Yes, now you start.
contributing to the goal of sustainable development. ISRO Gaganyaan Mission 1 is said to be a landmark in our space history, aiming to send Indian astronauts to space and demonstrating our advancement in space technology. In sports, India won Cricket World Cup, bringing immense joy and pride in every corner of our nation. In Asian Games, Anu Rani won women's javelin throw, bringing gold medal, and Avnish Sehwal became the first Indian to win gold in 3000-meter men's steeplechase race. These victories showcase our spirit and talent of our nation. So let us celebrate this day with joy and pride, and do our best in our studies and be good citizens and keep our country clean and green. Once again, a happy Independence Day. Thank you. My name is Arkan.
अध्यापिका जी, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर कुछ विचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ। कृपया उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेंगे। लहू वतन के शहीदों का रंग लाया है, लहू वतन के शहीदों का रंग लाया है। उछल रहा है जमाने में नाम ए आज़ादी, उछल रहा है जमाने में नाम ए आज़ादी। इन पंक्तियों के द्वारा हम उन सभी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को नमन करते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी जान की परवाह किए बिना अपने
के नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे उन्हीं महापुरुषों और क्रांतिकारियों की भूमिका में आपके सामने प्रस्तुत होने जा रहे हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं।
मैं सुभाष चंद्र बोस। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। मैं चाहता हूँ चरित्र, ज्ञान और कार्य। हमारी राह चाहे कितनी भी भयानक और पथरीली हो, हमारी यात्रा चाहे कितनी भी कष्टदायक हो, हमें आगे बढ़ना ही है। हम सफलता का दिन चाहे कितना भी दूर हो, उसका आना अनिवार्य है। जय हिंद, जय आजाद हिंद फौज। मैं भगत सिंह, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। मेरे साथ कहो इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। मैं आप सभी को प्यारा जवाहरलाल नेहरू नागरिकता देश की सेवा में नीत है। दूसरों के अभिमानों से लाभ उठने वाला व्यक्ति बुद्धिमान होता है। जय हिंद। मेरा नाम आजाद है, मेरे पिता का नाम स्वतंत्रता और मेरा घर जेल है। जब तक मेरे शरीर में प्राण है, मैं अंग्रेजों की गुलामी नहीं करूंगा, नहीं करूंगा, नहीं करूंगा। जय हिंद।
मैं सरोजिनी नायडू आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि यदि पुरुष इस देश की शान है तो महिला उस देश की नींव है। एक देश की महानता बलिदान और प्रेम उस देश के आदर्शों पर निहित करती है। जय हिंद।
मैं झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। हम लड़ेंगे ताकि हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपनी आजादी का जश्न मना सके। मैदानी जंग में मरना है। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
करती हूँ। Good morning, respected guests, fellow teachers and dear students. As we stand here today celebrating 78th independence, I am filled with immense pride and deep sense of responsibility. This day holds special significance for all of us. And as an educator, we already have the privilege of shaping the future through our students. On this day, we got freedom from colonial rule, and thanks to the relentless efforts and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Their courage, determination and love for motherland gave us the gift of freedom. The gift we all must cherish, protect and most importantly pass on to the next generation as we got. As a teacher, I believe that true essence of freedom lies in the freedom to think, freedom to explore and freedom to question. Our role as educators are imparting true essence of freedom in our students, empowering them to become informed, responsible and compassionate citizens of our country. In our classroom, we are not just imparting knowledge, we are instilling values that help in the progress of our great nation. Honesty, integrity, respect for the diversity and most importantly, commitment to the justice are the most important principles that will help them in becoming the leader of tomorrow. As we celebrate this
here today on this special occasion. I am pleased to share that I secured 93% in class 12 and scored 100 out of 100 in my favorite subject, informatics practices. I believe this success is the result of my interest and dedication to this subject, as well as excellent guidance and teaching from my teachers. Whatever I learned each day in class, I made sure to understand it and to study the same at home regularly, which helped me achieve these marks. Not everyone has the same potential and background, and it is important to give our best effort. There's a deep sense of satisfaction and happiness that comes with achieving such good marks. I have found that reading and learning every line in the textbook can make a significant difference in our performance. It is the attention to detail that helps us reach our goals. Consistency, understanding, regular revision, and discipline will help to achieve good marks. It is important to remember that not everyone who scores well is necessarily good and not everyone who scores less is bad. Marks are just one measure of achievement and don't define our worth or potential. Each person has unique strengths and areas for improvement. What matters most is our dedication to learning.
Freedom doesn't come free. It's very costly affair.
The freedom fighters brought this today, freedom to us on this day in 1947 after a lot of sacrifice. Not that they wanted us to enjoy the freedom and forget our responsibilities. So the other side of the coin is always responsibility. Enjoy your freedom and at the same time be responsible in the life. I request all the parents to be part of school endeavors, school activities. We will have a parent-teacher meeting shortly. I request you all to participate in school activities. I invite your attention on important project which we have adopted last year, that our Vidyalaya has been declared as one of the PM Shri Kendra Vidyalayas. There are about 500 PM Shri Kendra Vidyalayas all over the India. We one among them, and we are getting a special attention for improvement of school in terms of its physical structure and at the same time the general ambience and studies also. All the parents, before you leave, please look at a banner which we displayed on the wall, that various activities which we are going to undertake. I request all the parents who are potential to help us in the form of their advices by taking certain classes or ideas for improvement of the system. We always request you to come and talk to us. And at the same time, some of the parents may have in their mind that you too want to contribute something for the development of Vidyalaya. So for that, I have a team of teachers. Please contact them. Whatever you try to contribute, we will accept it graciously, and the last bit of benefit will go to my students. Mr. P. Veeresham, he is the in charge for Vidyanjali program, and he will invite you all in various parent-teacher meetings. Whatever you try to contribute. For example, my teacher contributed 2 times for development of Vidyalaya. जैसे बच्चों को उत्साहवर्धन करने के लिए a token of amount has been presented to the child. Same way, if you come forward, our bond of parents and school will grow and we will serve better. You also feel a sense of satisfaction.
Chemistry, who is going to retire next year. Mrs. Indu Shankar Madam, TGT Science, who is also going to retire next year. 2 PGTs, Mr. Veeresham, PGT Economics, and Mr. Parasaranam Anand, who have brought laurels to the Vidyalaya by giving the highest PA in the entire region. First of all, I would like to thank our guests for accepting to be the guest for this Independence Day. Thank you, sirs. Next, I would like to thank our parents who have come to witness and see their children and the students of the Vidyalaya perform in a very beautiful manner. I would like to thank all the ex-students who have come and other dignitaries who are involved indirectly and come to this program and make it a grand success. Next, I would like to thank all the in charges who are directly and indirectly involved in making this program a grand success. Without the students, the program would not be